This will be a quick update on the progress of the GUI. Last time I just showed the beginnings of making the GUI. This time I'm going to show the progress that I've made. Mostly what I've been able to do is let me just show you, because it's a lot easier to understand that way. So what we have here on this column is all of the current values of the parameter file, and this file is originally what is being read by the Java controller that automates NetLogo and generates the simulation data. That program would read from this file. So when we call the GUI program, the first thing it does is it reads from this file and it gives you the current values of your different variables. Now if we want to change these to say arbitrary values, which may or may not make sense. Now what we have done is we have changed. This just shows you in this column the values are changing. And you can press set parameters. If I wanted to change this again, I could change this back to 300. And either press enter or press set parameters, and it would change it. Once I'm satisfied with what I have for these values and I don't want to change anymore, I click the write parameters button, and now it sets all the values that you changed. It writes those to the parameter file itself. So let's go ahead and open this again. So it literally copied those into the parameter file, and you can see here the results. So we changed 4, 4, 5. We didn't change this one. We changed this one. Did not change this one. And so forth and so on. So currently we have a nice way to basically update the parameter file, whereas before it was less user-friendly, clearly. Now I'm going to have to work on launching the actual Java controller and returning the data into a graphical format that can be implemented in the GUI. And that'll be really what I'm focused on next.